Hi Librans, this is your next 10 days reading. Today is the 23rd. So 23rd August to the 1st of August, I am going to see the energies which are coming to you, the new energies. I have already uploaded 3 readings of yours. And this is the new reading because I have taken up this reading because the last leg of the August, how these energies are going to come and affect you and how you are going to tackle it. So this is what I am going to see, how you are going to fare in this last week of August plus the other number of days. So let's start your reading with the Angels Oracle message, which is from the Angels Oracle deck by Doreen Virtue. I have taken out one card and it is going to be your mantra for the next 10 days. So what is it saying? It's saying that dreams of abundance. As you sleep, God and your angels and your higher self are giving you divinely guided ideas, answers and solutions. Be sure to record your dreams in a journal because they contain valuable insights that will help you manifest your desires into reality. So, see, we all dream. We all dream, and the next day we forget about it. But if you are waking up after a dream, please write it down because it has got some message for you for your future. For your future, because we don't give importance to dreams, but dreams are really something which sometimes gets manifested in our lives if we think strongly about that dream, if we think strongly about the things which come to our subconscious when we are dozing. Those things are important for us. So with this mantra, you go ahead in your path in the next 10 days. So this is your, the crux. This is the crux. So there is a, and it is confirmed by the energy of the magician which is there. It means manifesting your dreams. So when you get this card, this means that you have got the wherewithal, you have got the power to manifest your dreams if you think about it positively. Any negative thought which is coming to you, that you must let go because that energy can interfere with your laws of attraction. So when you get this magician card and if it is your energy, then you need to let go of any negative thoughts. So with this magician, I am getting this 7 of cups. This means lot of choices are there. You are seeing lot of choices. Sometimes it is illusory because those choices are not in your hands. So you are presented with choices in your life, options in your life, which is a good thing, but you need to settle down on one. If you have, if you don't have a partner, you are a single, you might be having 6 or 7 choices of women or men, but you have to make up your mind with one person, because if you want happiness, then you have to choose one person. So this is what is the message which is coming to you for the next 10 days. I see you accomplishing some task in your material sphere, because this is this 11 card. This is 4 of Wands card, which means that you are accomplishing something. In ancient times, this meant that you are going to reap a harvest after a long time of sowing and cultivation. So this card means that you have done something and you have put in your energy on something, and you are going to reap your fruits now. Something is coming to fruition. It could be in your career, it could be in your love life, it could be buying or selling property. You have been working on it and it is going to take fruition. This can also mean that some of you are getting engaged, some of you are getting married, because your love affair is going to get upgraded. So there is a commitment card. This is a commitment card in love life as well. So this is a beautiful energy which you are getting in your next 10 days. You could be tying a knot with someone of the earth energy who has the masculine earth energy. This is a masculine energy. This energy is of being grounded, getting things done, being successful in the material sphere. So this person is either coming into your life, or you are going to take up this energy of King of Pentacles. This means that you will be able to achieve something, accomplish something, and be successful in it. So clarification is the Ace of Cups. This means that if it is a love affair, then you are going to get a cup full of love from the divine. You are going to get connected to someone. A new love can start with that. So this is the kind of energy, a beautiful energy of love, which is going to start afresh. That is what I am getting. People who are already committed, for them this could mean a new offer of love is coming. People who are working on their crisis in love life, they might be upgrading to something new. They might be recharging their love affair. So this could be that, or this could be some work which you love very much, it is coming to you. So this is something related to your heart, it is related to your emotion, and it is going to give you happiness. You are also in your element of King of Swords. This means your energy, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy. This means taking back your power. If you were feeling powerless in the past, recent past, this means that you are going to take back your power in any affairs of heart, any affairs of your material world. So you are going to take up this energy of King of Swords. This means analysis. This means making logical decisions, going towards the path of progress. So this is taking charge. This is taking charge with authority. This is taking charge and looking after your empire with authority. So this is what is coming to you. This could happen after a situation. However, this is the Knight of Cups reverse. This means that there could be an immature air energy of Libra, Gemini, Aquarius who could be around you. This person is always, acting very fast and furious. This person can be rude. This person can irritate you. So you are going to take back your power. You are going to, make things right with this person, and you will be able to boss over this person. So you could be taking up the boss energy also. I see that there is this dissipating energy card of Seven of Swords. This could be a deception. This could be a problem in your love life. This could be a problem in your career. There is deception around you. There is cheating around you. There is someone who is getting away or taking advantage of you. This could be in a partnership, because I see Two of Cups as clarification. This could be in a love affair. So this is a new love affair which is coming to you, which could be surrounded in deception. This could be surrounded in something which is hidden from you. So there is this energy, beware of this. So anybody who is coming to you with a cup of love, anybody who is coming to you with emotion, you have to check that person's background, because that person can take you into a situation of heartbreak. So there is this Seven of Swords energy. It could be also your energy wherein you are not trusting a relationship. So this could be, lack of trust in a relationship, a new relationship. So what are your weaknesses? Your weaknesses are Six of Pentacles reversed and Page of Pentacles reversed. This means that money is not coming to you the way you are expecting. So reciprocation is not happening. Maybe in career, maybe some of you are not getting your wages. It could be loss of a job. It could be, in your love affair, it could be that relationship is not giving you the things you wanted. And you even wanted to start something with someone, but it did not start, it did not take off. Money was wasted, resources was wasted. So this could be in your relationship, this could be in your family, this could be in your career. So this could be anything. Please connect it, Librans, with your situation in your life. It is a general reading, so some of you will resonate, some of you will not. But this is the weakness, this is the negative, this is the challenge which is coming to you in the next 10 days. You will see the indications. So how you are getting the clarification? This is a clarification that this is happening in love, this is happening in a situation where your soulmate is involved, it is happening with your divine counterpart. You are seeing that reciprocation is not happening, your money and resources are getting wasted. So this kind of energy will be there, you will feel unfulfilled. There is also some random energies of tiffs happening, crisis happening, problems happening, struggles happening in your life, which will be manifested in the next 10 days. There could be an offer of apology from a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a water energy person who is going to extend a cup of apology, because you can see through the truth. Maybe truth will be revealed after a struggle, so that person will come to you with a reconciliation offer. So this can happen with partners, this can happen with love partners, this can happen with career partners. I also see your own energy, the Empress card. This means that some of you Librans, the feminine Librans, you could have conceived, or you are pregnant, or you are going to give birth to a child. Your due date is coming near, so indications are there. Some of you are suffering from gynecological problems. This could be the reason that this card is coming. Or for everyone, this means that you will be very charming, people will like you, you will be Empress like, you will be capturing the people with your charm and with your beauty, with your personality. So this is going to happen for you Librans. It is usually you attract this kind of energy and you are Empress like. This means that you don't have to go to people, people will come to you. This is that kind of energy. I also see one constructive energy that is off, and this Empress can also mean a mother energy is there. Some of you who are aged, you will be nurturing something, you will be nurturing some your family, you could be nurturing your love affair, you could be nurturing some new idea or new project. So this is going to manifest in your next 10 days. The constructive energy which I see is the world. This could mean international travel, this could mean relocation, this could mean that you are accomplishing something and getting rewards and recognition. So for some of you Librans, you are going to go abroad, you are going to go some 1,000 miles away from your home. This can happen for some of you. So this is a beautiful energy, this is major arcana, it can happen to most of you. This means stepping out into the world, giving yourself into the universe. This kind of energy is coming to you. And the final outcome is beautiful. It is the 10 of Cups. It is emotional fulfillment. Whatever you are doing, you will be going towards your emotional fulfillment, not just material gains, because material gains are also coming. You are going to get into a project, or you are going to get attached with a person who is going to give you substantial economical benefit, or you are getting into this Knight of Pentacles energy. This means that you will be doing something which will give you slow and steady progress. However, it will be very, very substantial, and it will provide you with a base, it will provide you with the financial support. And finally, you are going towards your 10 of Cups. This means happiness with your family, happiness in your love life, emotional fulfillment will happen for you. So you will see the indications in the next 10 days. And this Empress energy can also mean by 2nd of August the moon will be full, so this means full moon. So you can see lot of things happening by the full moon, and you will be seeing this, it will be affecting you in a beneficial manner. So Librans, I see beautiful outcome and beautiful energies for you within the next 10 days. Please look up my channel. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. Look at your other readings as well. I will meet you in September. Bye bye.